Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wig Studio One YouTube channel. This is Taz. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new style by Ellen Wille. New for fall 2024. It is a gorgeous, soft, feminine, mid-length style called Destiny Monopart. I have it here in light champagne rooted. Now you can find this right here at Wig Studio One. If you drop below the video, expand the description box, there's going to be an attached link. If you click on that product link, it'll take you out to the site. You can see all of the details, colors, pricing. If you have any questions for us, we're ready to help. Reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. Destiny is that perfect mid-length style. All the way around, you're looking at about 12 inches. Now in the front, there is a 7.5 inch fringe piece here. And that fringe just kind of feathers back into the style very nicely. And due to this really light density, it's very easy to sweep this off of the face and expose that beautiful lace front. This is a temple to temple extended lace front and left monofilament side part. It only weighs about 3 ounces and it's made from regular synthetic fiber. It's a very soft, silky, dry, feathery type fiber. There's very limited permatease on this style. You're going to find some permatease to cover wefting and just sort of give some structure to the style, but it's nothing that's really heavy. It's not the soft, pillowy kind of fiber. And what that's going to do is going to give you such a natural, fluttery, feathery movement. And it has a lot of buoyancy. That kind of gives the illusion that it's a bit of a heavier density than what it actually is. Again, a very light, feathery density overall. So let's take a look at this cap while I show you these lace features up close. So this is a beautiful temple to temple. It is a fine grid lace material. They knot every other hole or so, and they bring the highlight right up to that lace front through the root. So it does give it a nice, soft, natural looking appearance. And that left monofilament part runs all the way back to the crown, giving you the illusion of scalp, however you would like to part it. So then you have a closed ear tab, open wefts on the sides and back, and then in the back you have Velcro style adjusters. Another word about this cap is that it's a very light cap. It feels very light and minimal on my head. It just feels like a cloud sitting there on my head. It's hardly noticeable. This one does run more average than a lot of the other Ellen Wille styles. You'll notice on the description it states petite average. I did have to cinch it in just a tad to accommodate my petite average circumference, and it fits beautifully and securely. Now this light champagne rooted is a combination of some gold blonde. So you're going to see a light gold blonde, a pale gold blonde in there, and then maybe some beige gold blonde. It is a warm color on a medium brown root.